Now let's go on and talk about regular. Regular indicates two things, that all the sides of the shape are the same and all the angles of the shape are the same. So as we're talking about the sides here, that one's going to be pretty easy. All the sides here have one hash mark going through them. Well, we saw the hash marks in an earlier presentation here. The hash marks indicate that those sides have the same length. How long do we know? No, we don't know. But that's not really important. All we have to know is that they are the same. Since all the sides are the same, we're halfway there. Then we also have to look at the angles. In order to be regular, polygon has to have all angles congruent. Now, as you can see here, they don't give us any actual measures again, but what they give us are the hash marks. They've got these kind of hoop structures going through them, showing that those are the angles, and then on each one of those, they have hash marks. Well, if you take a look at this set here that runs across the diagonal that I'm highlighting here, those each have one hash mark. That indicates that those two would be the same as each other. But if we look at the other diagonal that I'm now highlighting with the pen here, those each happen to have two hash marks. Well, that happens to indicate that these two are the same, but since this one has 2 and this one has 1, or this one has 2 and this one has 1, that indicates that these are not the same as each other. So when we answer the question here, is this a regular polygon, we're going to say that this is not regular. And the reason that this polygon is not regular, which is the other thing they're asking us for if we say it's not regular, is because the angles are different. The only other answer I could give there is that the sides are different, but of course in this illustration the sides are not different, just the angles. And you'll do the same thing in question 14 and 15.